Hi guys, welcome back to Traxxas Garage. We're still across the street here over at the park, and it is still snowing. We just ran that brush infraction. We want to have some fun with some brushless cars. So we got a few to show you. So first and foremost, we have our brushless converted Typhoon. Was originally a Mega and is now have the brushless transmission and running on 3S. So it's pretty much at a 3S spec as you would have it out of the box. I'm not sure if the brushless motor is the same KV as what they come stock, but it's pretty quick. It's gonna be a lot of fun out here on the snow. Next we got Traxxas Slash. This has been on the channel quite a few times. We've done quite a few upgrades to it. Our biggest problem that we have with this thing is gravel and dirt and stuff getting up into that drive shaft hole that runs from the back to the front. Right under there, show you. So if anybody has any good ideas for us, but there's always dirt and stuff getting up into there and making its way all the way back and then destroying the spur gears. It's the only spot that we can see where dust and dirt can even come in, but let us know what you guys know. We're pretty clueless right now on figuring out a fix for that besides having them switch over to an Arrma. Next up we got also a return on the channel, the Revo. It's original E Revo. So it originally came brushed with a dual motor setup on it. A guy before me converted it to brushless, and then I put the proper brushless conversion plates in it, and this thing is awesome. The only problem with this thing, and I have parts on the way, these tie rods for the front and for the back, the ball sockets like to pop out and you have a little bit of problems. But with this setup here, the motor has not moved at all. Still have perfect gear mesh. And the only problems I have is this fan's still slowly dying. I'm sure you guys will hear it vibrating and whatnot. But we're gonna get some batteries hooked up and we're gonna go out and do some rock and rolling.
Is everybody in the groove? Well, stick around. We're just warming up, baby.
Alright guys, so since none of us are getting any traction out here, and we all have all-wheel drives, they're running 3S, I'm running 6S, but we're gonna do a drag race. So let's see who can make it to the other side and not spin out. I think it's gonna be a pretty fast race and we might not even make it to the other side. Zane, it's time for your GoPro mount.
Made it all the way across.
Well, the Typhoon won. Zane was able to keep it straight the best and able to get it all the way to the end. In fact, he made it past the end and up onto the hill and rolled. Some victory donuts. All right, make sure you guys like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next week.
Look at that.